welcome to our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the De La Salle Green Spikers for winning over the AU Bulldogs in 4 sets. We have Coach Jose Roque, Eko Atahar, Vince Maginao, and Noel Campbell. Coach, congratulations for this victory. It's a very important win, especially dikit-dikit kayo ng standings with USP and Ateneo. So, especially against the defending champions. So, gaano talaga sa inyo to, especially second round na, every game counts from now on, Jason?
Yun yung, mahalaga talaga to sa amin kasi kung yung goal namin is to be on the top 4, kailangan namin talaga itong ipanalo. And luckily, ito, pinilis kami. So, thank you.
So Noel, we have 21 attacks, 2 blocks, 2 service aces, 15 interceptions, and 9 digs. So, what can you say na ito? You beat the defending champions, and ano yung inyong mindset sa second round, especially yung nga, you're aiming to return to the Final Four?
Coming from a loss against FEU, ito yung naging motivation namin na yung FEU game namin sayang. So, itong NU game naman namin, sabi namin kung kaya naman pala namin mag-play na ganun na ng standard sa FEU, why not try namin sa NU, baka sakali na, ayun, manalo kami. So, ayun, hindi ko talaga expect mananalo kami ngayon kasi defending champion yun eh. Alam mo yun, na-overwhelm lang ako ngayon sobra, so hindi ko talaga alam yun. Ayun, thank you.
Vince, you have 17 important attacks, 3 blocks, 17 interceptions, and 6 digs. So, you're getting better by the day. So, ano yung people, second round na. At ito, tinalo nyo pa defending champion.
Siyempre, first of all, nakaka-boost siya ng moral namin, individually and as a team. Kasi yung first round namin, it was a struggle for everyone. And then, ito coming sa second round, sinabi lang ng coaches namin na there's no holding back. Kasi it's our last round na for UAAP. And kung gusto namin talaga marating yung goal namin dito, sasagay namin, paghihirapan namin every single training and every single game.
Thank you to Eko. You have 29 excellent sets, 3 attacks, 1 block, 1 service ace, and 4 digs. So, yun na, very important sa inyo panalo to. So, paano mo na-distribute ng bola mahigit ng mga attackers mo? Siyempre, basic it's aim na talaga naman. They're the gold standard.
I think from the start of the UAP, parang struggling talaga kami sa namin, yung first ball namin. So, yun talaga yung nagiging training namin every time na if ever na meron kami talagang good first ball or good defense, mas malakas talaga. Kasi malakas yung mga wing namin eh. So, ayun, parang coming from a loss nga, katulad nga nung sinabi ni Noel, coming from FEU, it's not a bad loss. Alamin lang talaga namin yung rhythm namin. I think magdadala-dala kami ng panalo. So, yun.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is also for question.
Coach, 4-set win against NU despite committing 34 errors. Sa tingin mo lang, ano yung seeding nitong team?
Siguro, to be... Kailangan kasi nila, yun yung always remind ko sa kanila. Kailangan talaga maging consistent para ma-reach namin yung pwede namin maging standard. Yung ceiling na namin, I don't think di pa namin nakikita talaga eh. So, we're hoping na itong second round, we make sure every game mapakita namin sa inyo kung ano talaga yung Green Spiker.
Vince, all throughout first round, medyo may struggle pa nga sa health mo ngayon, nasa condition.
Siguro, going 100% kasi ayun nga, nung first round, sinaga ko na lang yun, parang hinayaan ko na lang kasi tinanggap ko na hindi pwedeng madaliin yung recovery. So ayun, I guess playing much better ngayon and sana magtuloy-tuloy until yun, sobrang magaling.
How important lang yung pagbalik sa 100% defense para syempre may katulong na rin sa offense at mas hindi kayo ready.
Props naman muna kila Yoyong kasi yung nawala si Vince. Nag-stand out talaga siya. Pero alam mo, iba pa rin yung may senior akong kasama. And kahit paano ngayon, sobrang napadali yung laro ko in terms of pasa and defense kasi may katulong na ulit ako si Vince. So, yun. Sabi nga, weather lang eh. So, may times, may laro si Vince, may laro ako. Ngayon, kahit paano, first time namin nagsabay ngayon sa buong pagsasama namin sa UAPS and sa Lasal. So, nakaka-proud lang ako and sana wag lang magsawa din. Matuto pa yun. Sa panalo namin, maging lang to, motivation lang namin na, one last ride namin, yun.
Paano mas napapadali lang with Vince 100%?
Yun, since last season naman, consistent talaga si Vince. Hindi lang sa spiking, pero sa receiving din. So, as a setter, napapadali niya talaga yung trabaho ko. So, ayun, coming this second round, siguro, mas maganda yung flow ng team. Kasi mas maganda yung maging pasa and defense with Vince. Ayun nga, props pa din sa mga rookies na nag-step up nung mga first few games namin nung start ng UAP.
Coach, you're facing UST next. Medyo full strength na sila with Joshua. So, right now, tied na kayo nakatili yung fourth place. So, what can you say na? Yun nga, especially moral booster to panalo nyo against ANU.
Paganda lang namin every game. We make plans for every game talaga. And then we see to it na ma-reach namin yung gusto namin mangyari. No expectation, basta we'll just fight for every game.
And to the players again, UST win. UST wins. Ano masasabi mo, UST?
Since yun, coming from a loss kanila nung round 1, it's a bad game talaga sa amin talaga. And coming this second round, I think mas iba na kasi sa lahat naman ng team. So mag-iba talaga yung takbo ng UAP sa second round. It's adjusting na nga yung round 1 and ngayon mas puliduhan na. So maganda talaga kami sa UST kasi ayun nga, coming from a loss.
Siyempre sa UST, yun, sabi ni Ego, and alam siguro ng mga coaches, ang pangit talaga ng nilaro namin doon. Pero ngayon, nakuha na namin yung rhythm namin. So, yun, bawi kami sa UST. Pero hindi madali na laban yung pupuntahan din namin kasi they're aiming to go to the Final Four din ulit. So kami, habulan talaga kami sa standing. So, ang gagawin muna namin ngayon, pahinga muna kami, reset, tas balik ensayo ulit. Siyempre, kain muna. Gutom na ako eh.
Siguro going up against UST next week, tututukan lang namin yung process. Doon namin sa araw-araw na magiging training namin. Kung maganda na mag-improve kami every day para sa paghahanda, ayun. Yun lang, yung process lang kailangan namin tutukan.
Congratulations to Jose. Thank you.